Advanced Physical Science. This is Chemistry, Unit 3, 3.3 on types of reactions. First of all, chemical reactions. Let's talk about some terminology. The reactants are separated from the products by an arrow. So that means that the reactants are everything on the left-hand side of the arrow, and the products are everything on the right-hand side of the arrow. Coefficients are placed in front of substances in order to balance the equation. We'll be doing that in the next lesson. But the coefficients are the large numbers out front. Notice you do still have subscripts because those came from actually writing the formulas themselves. And those are not touched at all. Types of chemical reactions. You actually have 5 types of chemical reactions, and we're going to go through each one individually. They are given cute and precious little nicknames to kind of help you remember what they are. So synthesis reactions is where 2 or more substances or even 2 or more compounds react to produce a single product. So in these, right, iron and sulfur combine to be iron 2 sulfide. 2 elements go together to make one compound. And the general formula for a synthesis reaction is A plus B, meaning substance A plus substance B makes the compound AB. Again, sodium and chlorine go together to make salt. And again, sodium and chlorine go together to make salt. A synthesis reaction can also be 2 compounds where you have calcium oxide and carbon dioxide to go make calcium carbonate. All synthesis reactions have that general equation of A plus B makes AB. And this is lovingly called the get-together. Decomposition reactions is where a substance breaks apart to be simpler compounds or individual elements. A compound, mercury 2 oxide, breaks apart to be mercury metal and oxygen gas. The general formula for this is AB, a compound, breaks apart to be A plus B, its components. Decomposition reaction is one in which a single compound breaks down into 2 or more simpler substances or new compounds. Here, water is being broken apart to be hydrogen and oxygen. In an airbag, sodium nitride breaks apart to be sodium and nitrogen. Decomposition reactions require an energy source such as heat, light, electricity in order to occur. And again, the general formula of their equation is AB makes A plus B. This is lovingly called the breakup. In a single replacement reaction, a more reactive element replaces a less reactive element in a compound. So zinc is more reactive than copper. So zinc will replace copper with sulfate. The general form of a single replacement, also called a single displacement reaction, is A plus BC makes B plus AC. In a single displacement reaction, one element displaces another in the compound. This happens when zinc replaces copper with chloride. And again, the general formula for this is A plus BC makes AC plus B. This is lovingly called the cheater. Double replacement reactions are where 2 compounds combine to form something new. So you start with potassium chloride and silver nitrate. They actually exchange partners to make potassium nitrate and silver chloride. Okay, where the general formula for this equation is AB plus CD makes AD plus CB. Double displacement reactions occur when ions exchange between 2 compounds. The nitrate and the chlorine essentially trade places. Again, a double displacement reaction will always produce a precipitant, a water, or a gas. And again, there's that equation for the double displacement or double replacement reaction. This is lovingly called the swap. Finally, we have a combustion reaction. A combustion reaction involves oxygen as reactant, produces large amounts of heat, and is classified as combustion. The compound that you start with must be a hydrocarbon, meaning some substance made of hydrogen and carbon. And this is lovingly called everybody loves oxygen because some hydrocarbon is going to react with oxygen and water and carbon dioxide will always be produced. So on your formula sheet, you want to add your types of reactions, synthesis, combination, synthesis or combination, either one, decomposition, single displacement, double displacement, and combustion. So let's look at an example. Mg plus CuCl2 makes MgCl2 plus Cu. This is a single replacement or single displacement reaction. CaCO3 breaks apart to be CaO and CO2. That's a decomposition reaction. HCl plus CaOH makes CaCl and H2O. This is a double replacement reaction. And Fe plus O2 makes Fe2O3 is a synthesis reaction. Thanks for watching.